can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin BNB. BNB is up 24.7% over the last 1 week. BNB has rallied up by 47.3% over the last 1 month, and the last 1 year, BNB has rallied up by more than 123%. In this video, we'll look at the BNB US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. BNB set a new all-time high. BNB has even rallied up to as high as $1,350. Are there warning signs on the chart? How high can BNB go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Should we still be buying more BNB right now? Also look at BNB's performance against Ethereum. BNB's market cap, which also has a new all-time high. BNB has become the third largest cryptocurrency in the market. Bitcoin dominance still not dumping. We're expecting a big flush down in Bitcoin dominance. We're not yet in an altcoin season. How high will BNB go when extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market is bubbling, but Bitcoin Cash, the altcoin market is bubbling, but BNB and Zcash have also been rallying aggressively. They have been the leaders. Over the last 1 week, over the last 1 month, we have seen BNB and Zcash rallying aggressively to higher prices. The highest prices we have seen since 2021 for Zcash has pumped to as high as $176. For BNB has blasted to new all-time highs. Anybody that bought BNB before this week, guys, is shouting kumbaya, is happy he did. It's been a long journey for BNB holders. BNB stayed trading around $0.1, and over the years, we have seen BNB rally to as high as $10, $100, and finally above $1,000. Can we see BNB finally get to as high as $2,000, $3,000, maybe even higher than that? Don't get carried away, guys. Yes, it's exciting when BNB is pumping to higher prices. But if we zoom in and we see that anytime BNB goes parabolic, anytime any altcoin go parabolic like this, historically, we're in the end of the market cycle. If you look at what BNB did in 2021, when BNB went on that parabolic move, when he broke above the range we were trading, we saw BNB start a parabolic move in February of 2021, and the top of the market came in just around May, 100 days later. And right now, in 2025, BNB is giving us similar price action. We've seen BNB start a parabolic move. How long will it last? Only time will tell. But one thing is sure, we're in the final phases of the market cycle. We have seen BNB from the bottom of this bear market. We've seen BNB go from as low as $188. We've seen it rally up to as high as $1,350. A 600% move from the bear market bottom. Historically, that has been a good return, but market participants are getting very excited. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The more cycles we see, the less return to expect. But market participants are expecting bigger returns in 2021. We saw BNB go from the bear market bottom of $4.3, BNB rally up to as high as around $650, giving us a 14,000% increase in 903 days. In this cycle, I don't think BNB will give us a 14,000% increase. For BNB to give us a 14,000% increase in this cycle, we have to see BNB trade for as high as $29,000. I don't think BNB is trading that high. If we're going to be realistic, how high can BNB go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Maybe we get to the $1,500 level. Maybe BNB gets to $1,800. I don't see BNB getting to the $2,000 level. You have to put things into perspective, guys. The 2021 all-time highs for BNB was around $670. We saw BNB consolidating around that $670 level. We even got to as high as $784 in December of 2024. There was a lot of bearish divergence showing there. Then the market started dumping, but BNB picked itself up from April of 2025 when we had Trump tariffs, when the market looked like it was dumping to Goblin Town, where everything looked very, very bearish. BNB has stayed pumping since then. It was trading at $500. Right now, BNB trades around $1,297, even getting to as high as $1,350. BNB is up 154% in the last 182 days. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, don't be shocked to see BNB going parabolic. Don't be shocked to see BNB going for that final phase. A lot of market participants are actually shorting BNB. They have been shorting BNB over the last few months. They have been getting liquidated as BNB continue going higher. But we don't go up forever. At some point in time, we're going to see a huge dump to Goblin Town. The cryptocurrency markets, one of the most volatile markets in the world. Huge volatility. Yes, we can easily see huge pumps to the moon. But let's remember, after the pump comes the dump. After the bull market comes the bear market. And if you look at BNB's price history, we've always had parabolic moves to the upside. But after those parabolic moves come to an end, we always see a big dump to Goblin Town. And right now, there's a big bearish divergence that is printing on BNB. Only time will tell how low the dump will come. When the dump comes, once you sure the dump is going to come, we have seen BNB's price go to a new high. The RSI has not been able to go to a new high. The RSI high was set in March of 2024. There was a lot of excitement in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of RSI in the market then was overbought. But right now, BNB, it's not gotten to that level. We're not gotten to the 88 level on the RSI, but the price has rallied up to higher prices. In the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, don't be shocked to see BNB topping. I'm not going to be shocked if we have less than 3 weeks in the bull market before chaos begins. At the top, market participants are max excited. At the top is where we're all singing Kumbaya. At the top is where there's 1,000,001 reasons why the rally will not stop. But don't get carried away. The rally always comes to an end. Look at BNB's currently trading at $1,297 with a market cap of $180 billion. BNB has become the third largest cryptocurrency in the market. All-time low for BNB happened on the 1st of August 2017. BNB traded for as low as $0.096. The all-time high for BNB happened on the 7th of October 2025. BNB traded for as high as $1,336. You want to get some BNB for yourself? You can get some BNB on Binance, on Bybit, on OKX, on BitGet, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some BNB right there. There's greed in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are excited. BNB is getting to new all-time highs. All coins are pumping front, left, and center. Bitcoin trading near new all-time highs. Don't be scared, guys. But when we get to extreme greed, when we see market participants start behaving irrationally, that's when you want to sell for some sweet profit. Greed eventually leads to extreme greed, which eventually leads to extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. It's funny how the market works. Market participants are fearful. They don't want to buy. The prices start going high and high. They start getting greedy. Immediately they get extremely greedy and they want to buy. Boom, with the dump to Goblin Town, and then they start crying. They lost their money. But be ready, guys. If you plan your trade and you trade your plan, you have good outcomes over a long period of time. Right now, we're on an altcoin season. Historically, altcoin season is when the game comes to an end. But altcoin season is when retail investors participate the most. That's when they think the pump is just starting. According to the altcoin season index, we're not just yet there. We're not there yet. If we see 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that's what we call an altcoin season. Right now, Bitcoin is up 4.3% over the last 90 days. BNB doing way better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. BNB is up 85%. Expect us enter an altcoin season over the next few days and the next few weeks as market participants start singing Kumbaya. The higher we go, the more irrational market participants be. The higher we go, the more you should think about selling for some sweet profit. If you look at BNB's performance against Ethereum, we have not pumped to new all-time highs. BNB got to new all-time highs against Ethereum in April of 2025. And since then, Ethereum has been pumping and we have seen BNB dumping. And BNB has started another rally on the 18th of August against Ethereum, 18th of August 2025. I'll not be shocked, guys. When this BNB rally against Ethereum finishes, that's when we see Ethereum pumping to higher prices, but that might actually signal the end of the bull market for BNB. The rally doesn't last forever. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you should sell for some sweet profit. The market always punishes those that buy at the top. They'll be forced to sell at the bottom. If you look at BNB's market cap, it's at new all-time highs. We've seen BNB's market cap get to as high as $177 billion. The previous all-time highs for BNB's market cap was around the $112 billion region. But BNB has rallied aggressively past the $112 billion region. BNB is up more than 62% from the previous all-time highs. We can easily get to $200 billion, maybe $250 billion, but I'll not be shocked to see BNB failing to get to as high as $2,000. There's a lot of bearish divergence that's showing right now for BNB's market cap, for BNB's price chart. In the coming days and the coming weeks, the top is going to be coming in for BNB, but expect market participants to be complaining. Nobody likes the top to come in. Market participants want the rally to continue on forever. The rally doesn't last forever. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, not yet dumping. I'm a big believer in Bitcoin dominance dumping at the end of the market cycle. So watch out for Bitcoin dominance dumping. If we see a big dump in Bitcoin dominance, you start hearing calls about alt season, and you see BNB start setting new all-time highs again, maybe get to as high as $1,500. That will be a telltale sign to run for the hills. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. When will you be running for the hills? When will you be selling your BNB for some sweet profit? More importantly, how high do you see BNB going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.